Welcome to Dipalicious. Today we're going to play with the new Mylar Glassware and encapsulate it with builder gel for that stained glass sea glass look. Let's get started. Welcome back. We're going to use base gel, builder gel in clear, top gel in matte, and these iridescent color shifting Mylar glassware. You'll also want a nail art brush to pick up and place the Mylar, and a file, buffer, and stick for cleanup. Apply base gel starting at the center of the nail, then from the cuticle to the free edge. Use a tool to clean around the skin where needed, and cure the base for 30 to 60 seconds depending on your lamp. Now that the base is cured, we're going to apply our first layer of builder gel. Just a nice even coat close to the cuticle without touching it. Then you'll want to clean up around the skin before you apply the Mylar glassware. You can apply these to the entire surface like I'm doing here, or you can mix it with other nail art and just use a few accent pieces on your nail. Use your brush to pat the Mylar down flat, and then you're going to cure this for 30 to 60 seconds. You can clean off your brush with alcohol. Now we're going to encapsulate the Mylar with a thicker layer of builder gel. I like to get a nice size bead at the end of my brush so that I can just work it in through the little cracks and spaces that the Mylar's left. Try not to press your brush into the builder gel to avoid creating bubbles. Just float the brush on the top surface of the gel as you move it into the places that you want it to go. And then clean up around the skin and cure it for about 60 seconds. Now I'm doing a third and final layer of builder gel. When you cover your whole nail with Mylar, you may find that you need an extra layer to get it a little bit more smooth so you have less filing to do. If you're using just a couple pieces of Mylar, you could probably get away with encapsulating it with just one layer of builder gel. Clean around your cuticles and cure this for about 60 to 90 seconds. Then we're going to wipe off the tacky layer and start filing and shaping. I start with the free edge and the sides, and I get those to the shape I like. Then I go into the surface. This is sped up, but I'm actually using very light pressure on the surface just to get any ridges down or any parts that are poking up. And then I'll switch to the pink buffer side to smooth out the surface a little better. And make sure to check your nail from all angles. Make sure that the curve is nice and even. And then clean it with alcohol. And then you can go in with top coat, paint your edge, and you can use any top coat you want. I used matte top coat this time because I wanted to get that sea glass effect. Clean around your cuticles and do a final cure around 60 seconds. And that's it. I'll link everything I used down below. And if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching Dipalicious. Bye.